National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 472, effective until 11 p.m. or midnight Eastern Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lockport, Newton, Porter, Pulaski, and Stark, and the following counties in Illinois: Iroquois and Kankakee. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The following is a special